What is going on, and welcome back to another episode of iCoach Nutrition Radio. Today's topic is coming from a question from somebody that asked this in the iCoach Nutrition private Facebook group. They said, how do I eat an adequate amount of protein following a vegetarian diet? So what I'm going to do here, this is going to be, specifically speaking to either vegans or vegetarians, and we're going to go over some hacks, if you will, as to how to get more protein into your diet. So hopefully you can get to the place where you're eating an adequate amount of protein as a vegan or vegetarian or plant-based eater, whatever you want to call it. Obviously, each one of these categories is different, but they get, compared in very similar fashions here. So this is just going to be general advice for all three. Obviously, each one of these is different, and there are different components that go into it, but for the sake of simplicity here, these recommendations would apply to all three. All right, so I'm going to give 7 different recommendations here. All right, number 1, incorporate legumes. Okay, so legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, beans, and peas are an excellent source of protein. Okay, try adding them to your salads, your soups, your stews, and your curries. All right, so that's number 1. Number 2, use plant-based protein powder. Okay, if you're struggling to get enough protein from whole foods, consider using a plant-based protein powder. There are many options available, such as pea protein, soy protein, and hemp protein. For those of you that are here in the private Facebook group, I have a partnership. iCoach Nutrition has a partnership with Thorne Research, and I can get you 20% off on a plant-based protein powder there that you could utilize to help you to be able to increase your protein intake up, to help you to be able to eat an adequate amount of protein each day. All right, number 3, snack on edamame. Okay, edamame is young soybeans that are usually boiled or steamed and served as a snack. They are a good source of protein and can be a healthy snack option. Okay, number 4, eat tofu and tempeh. Tofu and tempeh are both made from soybeans and are great sources of protein. Use them in stir fries, curries, or even make a tofu scramble for breakfast. All right. Number 4, consume nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds like almonds, peanuts, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds are high in protein. Add them to your oatmeal, smoothies, or snack or snack on them. Right. All right. Number 6, choose high protein vegetables. Okay, some vegetables are higher in protein than others, such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and spinach. Incorporate them into your meals to boost your protein intake. And then last but not least, number 7, include whole grains. Okay, whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, oats, and barley are good sources of protein. Use them as the base of your meals or as a side dish. Okay. So these are 7 recommendations to help you, right, as a vegan, vegetarian, plant-based eater to get more protein into your diet with the hope, with the intention to be able to eat an adequate amount of protein. So I hope this helps. Again, this is just a short tip, quick tip here for the individual in the Facebook group that asked this question. As always, any questions that you have, shoot them to me, let me know. I'm more than happy to answer them, to help you, to provide value, to provide nutritional resources there to help you to be able to live a healthier lifestyle in order to feel your best, look your best, and perform your best. So thank you so much for supporting the dream, for being a part of our community. And I hope these tips help. Awesome. All righty, guys, until next time, take care.